Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, I don't have a tutorial yet for the jumpsuit, but I did sewing parts that's already finished, so I have to edit it, but I cannot make it today or tomorrow, so it will be next week up. But you see here the pictures for the inspiration. I make it mostly like the white one, but I also tell you how you can make it like the blue one is. But what you can do in the meantime is make sure you have the basic pattern for pants, because you're gonna need that for this tutorial. So if you don't have that yet, then you can certainly watch that tutorial now. I will link it down below. And what you can also do is watch the tutorial how to sew in an invisible zipper, because that is also what we need for this jumpsuit. So I will link that one also down below. And finally, we're also gonna make inseam pockets. So if you're not familiar with that, watch my tutorial of the paperback pants. In that video I make inseam pockets, so you can see how you do that, because in the video of the jumpsuit I don't really explain that very thoroughly. So if you're not familiar with that, watch this tutorial. I will link it also down below in the description box. So I hope you can have something to do until next week for the jumpsuit tutorial. It will be very nice, and I hope to see you back. Thank you so much for watching now, and I'll see you next Monday with a very nice jumpsuit tutorial. Bye!